Hi, good morning, Ankita. How are you?
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm feeling awesome because this is my first session of a day and I am full of beans, high octane personality when I connect with the people because this is my first and I need to be very, very happy and awesome, feeling awesome.
And as you know about me, that my name is
Just a
Ankita.
second. Just a second. I'm forgot. I want to add on one more point that I'm from Uttarakhand, beauty of hills from Kumaon region.
Thank you so much. That's great to know about you. That because now we can resonate with each other. And
Yes,
yeah, we
absolutely.
people are from Uttarakhand, and I'm basically from Uttarakhand. Presently, I'm connecting to you from Mumbai, and I'm mother to two kids. And I have done my graduation, post graduation from zoology, and I have also done my higher degrees like B.Ed and M.Ed. Plus, also I have done my M.Phil from Mumbai University, and later
Mm-hmm.
I have taught in colleges. And after having my second baby in Singapore, I thought to raise him for some short period of time so that he can get enough time from my side, and then I can start my job later on. So then we start, and I also run a YouTube channel basically with the name of my daughter, Global Girl Gurbani. And we
Okay.
all three of us, my kids and me, we all work for that channel, and we are just beginners right now in the field of this YouTube journey.
Uh-huh.
And
Uh-huh.
through there only we came to know about this English conversation session and all. And I found you also from there.
Okay, thank you so much. You found me, and do please do send me the link of your YouTube channel because I want to have a glance.
Yeah, sure. I would be glad to share with you all these things. And as we discussed early also regarding Singapore and all, so now as we people are Pahadi, let's know more about our Pahadi things. So
Yes,
presently you are living in Delhi, right?
yes.
Okay. So when do you visit your hometown?
Okay, so whenever there is any occasion or anything is happening there, we'd
Okay.
usually go there. Once in a year and twice in a year whenever it is required. Then we go to there. But yes, my roots are there. My soul is always connected to my pahar, so I love that. And recently, I took a long break from my YouTube journey, and I went there, and I went. I think that is what is the Masuri, Dehradun, and Ranikhet, and Rishikesh, Haldwani. It was a long trip.
Oh wow, it's great, huh? I mean, people actually love to visit all these places, and actually, I also would love to visit all these beautiful places of Uttarakhand. But
Mm.
the only issue about me and my kids are that we have lot of home that motion sickness.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
that we always, lost the opportunity to visit the hilly areas and all. We always
Okay.
love to move through these trains and all, trains, metro trains, and bikes, scooters. Okay, but by car and bus, actually, we have
Mm.
so much motion sickness.
Okay, but I would say I'm lucky enough. My kids are lucky enough because wherever we are moving, to the hills, right? We never feel that motion sickness. Even although I enjoy it by looking outside. Oh wow, it's
Yes,
it's like swinging.
true. So that
That
in fact always whenever I see all the beauties, serene green level, lustrous green things and all, I feel so much calm, and I feel when I will be able to visit all these places, because of motion sickness means we can open our eyes to reach our destination only. In between whole path we can never
oh,
open our eyes. We always feel dizziness.
oh my goodness, that's very terrible, right?
Yes, that's the issue, and that's why we don't visit many hilly areas. We didn't get
Mhm.
opportunity to visit.
You can do one. You are feeling so dizzy. Try to close your eyes and go to sleep.
Yeah, that only that thing we people do. Me and my
Mhm.
kids.
Great.
In fact, I'm not that much right now because now I have become much used to it. But my kids, in fact, when they have to come to Delhi and all, they always used to sleep. Mama, we want to sleep. Okay, go to sleep.
Yeah, that's the best part,
Before moving, we always take medicine.
Vomiting pills, that pukish
Yes,
wala, right?
yes,
Ah, it's necessary, it's necessary. And don't eat it between your, journey because you will all the time feel pukish.
correct, correct, correct.
Then you will feel pukish.
Yes, yes, yes. Because of that, we actually didn't get that much opportunity to visit. But we love all mountains and all. But that's why I always love this side, means beaches side, because this side is we never get that much motion sickness. So
Mm.
here it's much better.
So have you ever been to Delhi?
uh, Delhi, yes, I think around 12 or around 13 years back, and
Oh,
yes, in between, like last, but we used to cross that path only. We used to cross that
uh-huh.
path last year. In fact, this year only January we visited Jaipur. We had on our Jaipur trip, so that was from Delhi only. You know,
Okay, you cross
we
the
had
border of Delhi.
yes, yes, but we have many relatives in Delhi, but we never get that much, opportunity to go there. So because always we had flight from Mumbai
Ah,
to
yes,
Bareilly.
yes.
These days,
Yeah,
yeah,
okay. Mhm.
these days we have flights from Mumbai to Bareilly and Bareilly to
Yes.
Mumbai. So,
Mm.
and if we had been in Delhi, so that was
Mm.
some short period of time, not to visit any place or not to visit any relatives' home. Just
Okay.
airport. From airport, we had our cab booked early. Then we just directly moved from there to Uttarakhand.
Okay, great, great. No worries, no worries. I hope that you will sort it out that problem, that sickness, motion sickness, whatsoever. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, what else we should discuss now? Okay, what inspired you to actually have this YouTube channel and all?
Okay. That's a long story, but yes, I would like to describe it for you one more time. It's a long story. Let's just cut the long story to the short here. Actually, I was not good at this language earlier. No,
Okay.
not at all. But yes, somewhere down the line, I can say my motherhood journey inspired me. My kids inspired me to work on my communication because my kids are 8 years old, and so when they were, 1 year old, they were fluent in this language. They have their first language is English at home. They never used to speak in Hindi. Yes, yes, but they
That
understand.
so that you started only to teach.
No, no, no. I was not good at this language.
So
When
I
I
mean, at the age of
when
one
I
year, who was
started,
there to teach them?
I never taught them. Never.
So they means naturally.
Yes, gradually they grabs the environment. You know what happened when they were 1 year old? They used to watch the cartoons and
Okay.
rhymes, especially rhymes,
Yes. Yes.
especially rhyme. So they used to sing in that rhyme, and by observing, by imitating, they have created their own ecosystem, their own environment.
Great.
And when I saw that my son was saying, my husband saying, Thanush, idhar aao, bacha, idhar aao. He said, Daddy, come to me, come to me. I said, what is happening with him? He was saying, come to me, come to me, come to me. Earlier he was used to speak in Hindi. Now he's speaking in Hindi. You won't believe it. When they were 1 year, their brain got washed by watching English content, and they have started to speak in English. That was the first triggering point that I decided to work on my communication skill.
Great. Great. Oh wow, such a the brain is so strong. No, of kids, they still.
Yes, every kids I believe have the same brain, that observing skin, that imitating skin. They have strongest one.
True that, and so generally we people always, get wondered when we see the kids of English countries, how they people speak so fluently just in 1.5 year of age. That just because of this observing and imitating.
Yes, yes, this is the best way, and I'm doing the same thing. People used to say, people need, everyone is emphasizing that we have a four aspect to learn this language. Reading, writing, speaking, and
Uh,
listening. But I don't seriously. Let me just explain. I don't like it reading. I don't like it writing. I only like one thing, that is listening. I
Uh,
am improving my communication skill through listening. Through
mm,
listening, because that is the strongest part. I'm observing, I'm grasping. My brain is trained to listen more. And my
mm.
brain accept the knowledge by imitating, by observing. So I am using. So I'm telling to everyone, use your best skill. Don't amalgamate all skill together, because you will be giving a brain fart to yourself, or creating some, delusion.
True, true. And sometimes when we go through so many technical things, na, then we lose the charm of learning the things.
Yes, 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 yes. That's so the best part. And second thing, if you know the grammar, that's good. If you are not know the ABCD of a, grammar, when you are at the early age, like when I talk about when my kids were 1 year old, they were blank about grammar,
Yeah, correct.
because they learned,
Grammar is
they
something
learned.
that comes very late, that comes after very long time.
Yes, grammar you can recover. Grammar you can recover by your reading skill, listening skill, and observing skill. So need to give extra time to grammar. But if a person is saying that no, I wanted to learn grammar first, then that's their wish. You can go with it. Go with a simple grammar. Don't
Hmm.
go with a complex one, because otherwise still you will feel like I'm standing in a hot water. So it's better if you are ready to learn grammar first and then speak, that's your choice. If it is not suiting to you, then please skip it. Then focus
Correct.
to your best skill.
Hmm, true that, true. Yes, yes, I completely agree. Because what I feel that generally whenever people, go into so much technicalities and grammar and this verb, object, everything, I think they feel so much fear inside them. Ki, okay,
Yes.
now it's
Yes.
become so terrible to learn this language. They always skip that language.
Yes, because we have a fear. Already we have a fear when we were in
Of
academics.
yeah, of
Yes.
learning this foreign language. Yes.
Yes. The first thing, when we were in academics, right? We used to
Hmm.
learn the grammar in English.
Hmm.
But if I compare that academic grammar to the spoken, that is totally different. Totally
Complete.
different. So
Hmm.
they're already into the zone of fear. Oh, again we have
Fear.
to learn the grammar. It's very very complex. I don't want to learn this grammar. So let me just confirm, it is not like that. Academic grammar is totally different when you
Totally.
compare to spoken.
True, true, correct, correct. I agree because but I feel that people go so much into this thing and they always feel kind of think they always I can say make a distance from that language. With
Yes.
the way we have people have learned our mother tongue, that is very natural, very observing, listening, and all these things. So similar, this language is also same. The other
Yes.
the way of learning languages are the same. So first you start listening, first you start observing the thing and start practicing. The most important thing.
Yes, 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 that is very important, when you were kid. Let me just give you the example of my kids. What they did, first they observe. First they observe. They were not able to utter a single word. They observe. They provide the content to the brain, right?
Hmm.
They were giving the content to the brain. And bro, we have three minds. We all usually say three mind, conscious, subconscious, and and there's
Unconscious.
another. Ah, yes, unconscious. And subconscious mind is the strongest mind. It always
Correct.
take a note of everything. So
Hmm.
they develop their subconscious mind that time. You need to
Hmm.
work on your subconscious mind. They developed, and their subconscious mind taking a note of everything, right?
Hmm.
When they were able to speak something, so that time it was automatically coming out from their mouth, because subconscious mind had sync everything, registered in the
Yes.
brain.
And you had provided that environment through English rhymes and all, continuously
Yes.
they were watching TV and all, and whole day they were watching English rhymes and all. You provided that environment, and continuously they are actually catching those words only, English words
Yes.
only, not any
Yes.
other language. If they would have have learned their Pahari words, they would have opted that
Ah,
only.
yes, yeah, their first language was English. They adopted. Earlier, they were speaking in Hindi. But
Hmm.
when, their environment of English
Hmm.
getting heavier than the Hindi environment,
Correct.
so they created their own environment. So I decided to
Yes.
give them a good environment of English. So I decided to work on my communication skill. And one more thing I would like to add on here, that if a people is, beginner, if
Hmm.
he or she wanted to, start their journey in English. So first thing is, make sure that you speak, give a muscles practice, make your jaw flexible for it. Second thing, put the content in your brain. A
Hmm.
content, I mean to say it, vocabulary, you should have the knowledge of topic, then only
Correct.
you can be able to speak, otherwise you can't.
True that. Because, but I feel that, for the single expressions, we have different words, but you should know where to use. And for
Yes.
that, you should have that much, vocabulary in your mind. You should know
Yes.
different words to
Hmm.
express that emotion. So that is very
Yeah.
okay. I tell you one, just a joke in between, huh?
Okay,
Uh,
yeah.
that that is about the Pahadi people. I mean, that was about one of my mother's uncle later that time. So I'm telling why, because the way they have learned English, that they said
Okay.
they had to tell to the teacher, the English teacher, that my hand got burned. Okay, so
Okay.
he literally he translate the meaning. My hand, okay, mera haath. We always also say water jal. Okay, and it is gaya. So what did
Okay.
he say? My hand water went.
Oh, I translated pura. Oh,
Yes,
great.
literal meaning, just whatever he learned, he just tell like that only. So my mother was telling like this, ki, when we learn the things literally, means that was the time when there was no English, no. So he was
Uh,
very scared. He said, my hand water went.
uh.
When we don't have words in our mind, when we don't have vocabulary in our this think tank, then how would we able to talk? It's very important
Yes.
to have words.
My mother, she's uneducated, and when my kids used to talk with my mother always used to, हमको इंग्लिश विंग्लिश नहीं आता है. One day my daughter say, नानी can you please give me that soap. ये क्या होता है, सोप क्या होता है, वो क्या होता है, ये हमको समझ में नहीं आता है, हमसे बात करनी तो हिंदी में बात करेंगे. Now you won't believe it, my mother is understanding each and everything in English. She
Correct.
accepts
Correct.
the environment. So that is the power of environment. So create
Mhm.
your environment, that's very important.
Yes.
Don't wait for any conversational club, wait for the partner. No, that is all excuses. I believe
Yes.
so. Right?
True.
If you have dream, you have passion,
Hmm.
then no hurdles can stop you. It was an, I would say, awesome conversation again we had.
Yeah.